Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel on Gemini. What's Gemini? Well, we'll get there in just a second. At this point, let's just say Gemini is a light, fast, fun, and private web protocol. Allows you to produce very simple web pages, okay? So let's just take a very quick look here. This is a current page here. So like you see, this is a level 1 title, maybe level 2. This is an external link, okay, to the data website. This is a bulletin list. This is a level 3 title. Level 3 title. This here is a is what's called free formatted text. Okay. This is another title. This is additional code. Okay. And now this is the bottom 5. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this code from the US on down, and we're going to get rid of it. Okay. And we're going to move that to a separate a separate posting. Let's take care of this then. Okay. Per capita. So let's get rid of this. Okay. This is the worldwide consumption. This is the top 5 countries per capita consumption. This is the bottom size. And there's some additional plots. Okay. Okay. And here's some plots that go with the code up here, right? So let's save this. Come back over here. Okay. This isn't perfect, but this is the way I'm going to leave it right now. Okay. Except for the resources down here. Let's take a look at resources. Those doesn't look quite right. What's not working right here? Our language, our code, resources. This probably isn't a walkthrough here. That's good. Okay, that's fine. So that just cleans up the first set over here. Now we're going to do a second script. This is going to be USA dash. All right. Now we're going to come back over here now. We're going to take the initial code here. All right. Put it over here. All right. Then we're going to do our plot of the US. Let's just see how this works first here. Okay, good. So here's our initial plot of the U.S. Vegetable consumption per capita by year. Kilograms, of course, in kilograms, okay. Top 5 countries. Okay, we got this here. Okay, so we do need this, I do believe. So this gives us our top 5 countries. And then this. Now this is actually sort of a part 3 here, okay? Let's see something. The country's top 5, veggies top, left join, plots of 5 countries. Let's try this now. Okay, good. So now we got this plot right here. Okay, this is vegetable consumption, kilograms per person per year for the top 5 countries. There's the countries. And now, so we got vegetable consumption per person in kilograms. Okay, good. And year. You can see most of the world is increasing while the U.S. is decreasing. Uh, Now, is there anything else we want to do here? Is there another plot that we want to do? Let's just do one more. Let's just break to visual plots. Okay. Okay, so we got this numbers here. So the GGPOT country top 5 plus underscore equals Y equals. You know what we could do is, I don't think a breakout is enough. Equals. What we're going to do here is we're going to do a, what's it called? I can't think. Not a coordinate flip. Facet wrap by country. Okay. Let's just see how this works. Okay, good. So now we got the top 5 countries. China for total vegetable consumption. Okay. Now, is this really the best method here? Let's see. I mean, we could do a line. Is this more helpful? You know what? I think for the time being, I'll just leave this as a call, okay? Top 5 countries per capita. And we can say, okay. Oh, I left off a. Okay. So what we've done here is we came back, we split out the plots, we split out part of the code to a second part, which we'll call part 2. And here we plot the U.S. vegetable consumption per capita in kilograms by year. Then we plot the top 5 here, vegetable consumption by year, kilograms per person, and that's that plot right there. And finally, we do the third plot, which is this one right here. Okay, so we're going to export this one here. Okay, we're going to call this top 5 countries. All right, top 5 countries by per capita. I'm going to save that one also. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we'll come back over here, update this third plot in the code. All right. Okay. All right. So now I'll come back over here. And we're going to start over again. That's part 2. All right. Come on. This is, let's do this. We're going to create a heading over here. Let's see, consumption. So, what do we normally put at the top here? Let's go ahead and put this up here. All right. Let's go say run some code. This is really all we need. Okay. Then we're going to start needing our code box. Okay. You know what? Let's do. Oh, no. Let's do this. Okay. So now we can have this here. And now here's our plot. Okay. And this is the, let's come over here to GitHub and find the US plot. Okay, here's the first plot, and this is US consumption per capita. So that's the first plot. Now I come back down here, and we say top 5 countries. Make that 3. Let's just do this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take this. All right. We're going to take this. Here's one plot. So there's one plot. Okay. Let's save this. This is okay. Now we need to come back down here and fix the plots. This is one. Okay, so, okay. So now I'll come back over here. I'm going to add post. Maybe we'll get lucky and this will actually look good the first time. Perfect. Okay. And there you have it in 30 minutes. If you added a few more plots to our data set, updated our Gemini Capsule, our Caribou Data Science Gemini Capsule, and that kind of concludes part two of our look at vegetable consumption. Tomorrow we'll look at probably look more at the bottom half of the market, at the bottom half, the countries with the five lowest per capita consumptions per person. Okay. Anyway, if you find this series on Gemini capsules helpful, first of all, look in the description below, and then follow the links below to actually set up your own Gemini capsule. And if you do set up a Gemini capsule, be sure to put a comment in the description below, or open up a ticket on the comment section. Okay. So anyway, I hope this has been interesting, informative. It's just we continue to explore the R world in data sets. We can look forward to maybe a series actually on various types of well, I won't say vegetables, but not really vegetables, grains. We also have a couple of deal with grain consumption. Okay, so you can look for that towards the first part of next week. So anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click like. Don't forget to share this video with one other person you know who's interested in our programming and maybe even interested in the Gemini capsule protocol. Okay, thanks so much for your time. I'll catch you on a later report.